Hey, welcome back to the channel. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker is here, and it's turning heads with a bold new look and serious tech upgrades. Whether you're new to three-wheelers or a seasoned rider, this machine is made to blur the lines between power, personality, and performance. Let's start with the most noticeable change, the design. The Ryker has always been known for its aggressive, futuristic styling, but this year, it's been sharpened even further. The front fascia now features sleeker LED lighting, more angular bodywork, and customizable color panels that snap on and off in minutes. Can-Am wants this to feel like your machine, not just another model off the line. And they nailed it. Underneath the body, things get even more interesting. You've got two engine options again this year: the Rotax 600 Ace twin-cylinder for casual cruising, or the more powerful Rotax 900 Ace triple for riders who want that extra kick. Both are paired with a continuously variable transmission. No clutch, no shifting, just twist the throttle and go. It's intuitive, responsive, and accessible to just about anyone. But the biggest news for 2026 is the upgraded Smart Ride system. This is a full suite of ride-enhancing tech that includes adaptive traction control, semi-active suspension, and an improved stability system. Whether you're carving mountain switchbacks or navigating wet city streets, the Ryker constantly adjusts itself to give you the most confident ride possible. The ride modes have also been updated. In addition to Eco and Sport, there's now a customizable mode that lets you fine-tune throttle sensitivity, traction, and even suspension stiffness right from the handlebar controls. And yes, for the thrill seekers, Sport mode still allows for some rear wheel slip when you're pushing hard into corners. Let's talk comfort. The Ryker has always had a minimalist vibe, but Can-Am listened to the feedback and made this one more refined. The new seat uses memory foam for longer rides, and the ergonomic layout is adjustable without tools. You can reposition the foot pegs and handlebars in under a minute to match your height and style. Connectivity gets a major boost too. A full-color TFT display replaces the old dash, and it's loaded with features. Bluetooth comes standard, and it supports smartphone integration with turn-by-turn navigation, music control, and even group ride tracking via the Can-Am app. You can plan a route, sync with friends, and hit the road, all from the dash. Another underrated feature: storage. The new front cargo pod is larger and weather-sealed, with a USB charging port tucked inside. Whether you're commuting or taking a weekend road trip, it's just practical. And for those wondering, yes, the 2026 Ryker still has a reverse gear, still has that signature low slung stance, and still gets all the attention when you roll up at a stoplight. But now it feels more premium, more connected, and more capable than ever. So who is this machine really for? It's for riders who want the thrill of the open road, but don't want to wrestle a big bike. It's for people who care about style as much as speed, and it's for anyone who wants to experience riding in a whole new way without a huge learning curve. The 2026 Can-Am Ryker isn't just a three-wheeler. It's a statement, one that says you ride different.